that love would ever touch me. There was no explanation to be found.
But every time I trembled, you were right there beside me. Perhaps it was because I heard your voice.
The thrill will tear me up, I felt like dying. I didn't know I had to face the storm.
I tried to slip away, but your shadow clung behind me. Can't stand this roller coaster ride no more. Roads in my heart will not let my feelings grow. I feel my soul's been hit by a waterfall, like a river overflowing. 'Cause deep down inside I'm burning, since a fool close to you is out of control. Lost in your lies, wondering why I hold strong. I feel I'm drowning and can't reach the shore. If you're judging by the cover, then I'll never be discovered. I loved you while living from dusk till dawn.
It could be that I was wrong to fall for you, or maybe I have treasured your sweet thoughts.